Would you rather have a random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
Would you rather be way too tall or be too short? Would you rather wear a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds? Would you rather save the babies or save the cookie? Would you rather have 1 Robux beggar or have 5 Robux beggars?
Just 5 Robux. Come on, bro. Can I have some Robux, please? Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. I want to buy a new avatar. Now!
Would you rather have a
Come
burger
on, don't be a
or
brokey.
freeze?
Just 5 Robux. Come on, bro. Can I have some Robux, please? Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. I want to buy a new avatar. Now! Please, Robux. Ignore me now.
Would you rather save
6, 7.
6, 7 or save your friends?
Help! Help me, please!
I want to buy a new avatar.
on,
Now!
don't
I'm
Ah!
Avatar. I want to buy a new avatar. Now! Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. I want to buy a new avatar. Now! Ah! Come on, don't be a brokey. Just 5 Robux. Come on, bro. Come on.
Would you rather join the group and like the game
Robux?
or be stuck
Oh,
in detention?
hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Escape detention by finding the door before Baldy catches you.
Yeah.
Would you rather own an annoying chicken or own an annoying cow? Would you rather be an e-girl or shrink down 75%? Would you rather sound like a boy or sound like a girl? Try typing in chat to hear your voice.
Hello? Guys. Very good.
Would you rather have banana arms or banana legs?
Banana.
Would you rather have a homeless man follow you or have a crying baby follow you? Would you rather be fat or be skinny? Would you rather watch the duck song or complete an obby?
Swirly, swirly lollipop, please, please. Can I have a lollipop?
Would you rather grow dragon wings or grow angel wings? Would you rather marry 6'7" or marry Skibbity Toilet? Chat, we are
6 to
gathered
7.
here today
6'7".
to witness
Promise
a
to be a good
monumental
partner.
and do you
Double pleasure.
always we are here to set up in your partner between this absolute unit 67 and our fellow legend on the right.
Haggle. I don't marry 6 to 7.